Hello, and welcome to my podcast about automobile repairs and care. My name is Asuro, and I am an automotive technician in Nigeria. Today's topic is how to change a flat tire. Getting a flat tire can be a frustrating and even dangerous experience, but knowing how to change a tire can help you get back on the road quickly and safely. Here's what you need to do. Find a safe location. If you get a flat tire while driving, try to pull over to a safe location as soon as possible. Choose a flat and stable surface away from traffic, and turn on your hazard lights. Gather your tools. You'll need a few tools to change your tire, including a spare tire, a jack, and a lug wrench. These tools are usually stored in the trunk of your car. Loosen the lug nuts. Use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Don't remove them yet, just loosen them enough so that you can easily remove them later. Raise the car with the jack. Place the jack under the car's frame near the flat tire. Raise the car slowly and carefully, making sure that the jack is stable and secure. Remove the lug nuts and tire. Remove the lug nuts and pull the flat tire off the car. Install the spare tire. Line up the spare tire with the wheel studs and push it onto the car. Tighten the lug nuts by hand until they are snug. Lower the car and tighten the lug nuts. Use the jack to lower the car back down to the ground, and then use the lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts as much as possible. Check the tire pressure. Use a tire pressure gauge to check the spare tire's pressure. It's important to keep your spare tire properly inflated so that it's ready to use in an emergency. Get your flat tire repaired or replaced. A spare tire is only meant to be used as a temporary solution. Take your flat tire to a professional tire repair shop to have it repaired or replaced as soon as possible. In conclusion, changing a flat tire can be intimidating, but by following these steps, you can do it safely and quickly. Remember to always be cautious and use common sense when changing a tire, and if you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to call for roadside assistance. Thank you for listening to my podcast about automobile repairs and care. Stay tuned for more episodes with tips and advice to help you keep your car running smoothly and reliably.